The last but not least of our 11 American English vowel sounds is A. Like all of the vowel sounds, this is a common and extremely important sound to master in American English. A secondary vowel pair that may help you with this sound is A. Starting with A, make more space either vertically or horizontally to make the A sound. Both of these vowel sounds are strong sounds. They may sound a little too strong to your ears until you get used to them, depending on the sounds of your native language. A. Also, practice a long version of this sound. A. Here is the list of frequent and common A words. They, way, make, day, take, place, made, came, name, great, say. Give this sound the attention it needs for you to master it. And congratulations, you have made it through the 11 American English vowel sounds. Things will now start to get more interesting as we move into sentences and paragraphs. You will also have some quizzes to pass before you can go on to the next units.